When they do a colposcopy, they can take colposcopy of the vagina, or they can also take the colposcopy of the cervix. Here you should know, colposcopy can be done with biopsies, or sometimes it can be just a diagnostic colposcopy. You need to know whether it is a vaginal biopsy or it is a biopsy of the cervix. Coming to cervix, what you need to know is like cervix is a transformation zone. There are two types as the endocervix and the ectocervix. What happens is there is a transformation zone, meaning the ecto and the endo. The endo is made up of columnar cells and the ecto is made up of squamous cells. Whenever there is migration of cells, so at the junction of the ectocervix and endocervix, what happens, there is metaplasia. That means the cell's structure get deranged, meaning the normal epithelial structure getting deranged, and this results in metaplasia. Metaplasia can result in neoplasia, and that can go for tumor or a cancer. And that is why oftentimes they do cancer screening of the cervix. Can you understand why they are doing a cervical cancer so easily? Because of these. Okay.